me like crazy. Hi! I think I saw you now. But anyways, hi! You're so cute.
Hi.
What's your name?
Yakadama.
Wow. So how old are you?
Hi.
5 years old. What are you going to show us today? What talent are you going to show us today?
Dance.
You're going to be dancing. Who taught you how to dance?
Mommy.
Do you have any more favorite dancers that you know of? May favorite dancer ka ba? Sino po? Mommy? Okay. Also, Mommy. How about Daddy? Yes. Okay. Because we're still preparing your number, is there any... Mahilig ka bang kumain? Wow. Anong favorite mo na food? Chicken nuggets. Why not? And aside from chicken nuggets, do you also have any favorite food? Ano pa po yun? Ano yun? Carrots! How about fruits? Meron ka bang favorite na fruits? Anong favorite fruits mo?
Grapes.
Grapes. Ilan yung pinakain mo na grapes? Araw-araw? Madami? Iba't